Only in a Solexx greenhouse can you grow all this in an 8x8 space. Solexx greenhouses are designed with the real gardener in mind, for flourishing plants in a greenhouse that lasts for decades. Backed with a 10-year warranty, Solexx will be a part of your garden for years to come, lasting for decades. If the unforeseen happens and a panel is damaged, you can easily replace it without having to take the whole greenhouse apart, or worse yet, having to replace the entire greenhouse. The best results come from a Solexx greenhouse.